Hi, this is Ben Hewlett from harmonicamastery.com. Now, we had a question at the Q&A the other day. Mike said, why do I find it harder to play on other holes? So the nub of this question is really, are all the holes the same? What's different about the different holes? So the reeds are different lengths. So I think that's probably what makes the most difference. So if you were playing on a C harmonica, hole 1, I would want to have as much space. If I'm puckering, tongue blocking would be the same. You'd want to have as much space as possible to give it that resonant quality that it wants. If I squish my mouth up inside, it's not going to sound good. And if you listen carefully, you'll even hear the harmonics moving as I move the tongue inside the mouth. I'm moving the tongue forward. So the tongue position makes a difference. Let me do it on a G harp, a bit lower. So as I move the tongue forward, I'm reducing the resonant cavity. And you hear the high toppy harmonics. I don't know if you can pick that up, but there it is. So the lower notes, you need a good open space. And then it begins to change. You need a slightly different space for the higher notes. Again, if you push the tongue forward, the notes will tend to bend on a low harp like the G. So if you're having trouble, and Mike was having trouble with the top end of the harmonica, so holes say 8, 9 and 10, why are they harder to play than the other notes? And I think it's to do with this, what I've mentioned, and the pressure. Because the reeds are shorter and more tensile, they take more to make them move. You want to push harder, and you want to tighten your mouth up and tighten your lips up a bit, and I think that's what makes them harder to play. I think, tell me if I'm wrong here, but this is my observations. So if you can relax your mouth more, in other words, tongue block, or just relax it without tongue blocking, but tongue blocking maybe is the easiest, they should become much easier to play, I think. So if I play, say, hole 8, puckered, if I try and squeeze it and push the air through, it sounds awful, doesn't it? But if I can relax my mouth and tongue block it, then I think it's to do with that. So relaxing your mouth will help. Let's see what it was on the C harp. That's 8 and 9 on the C harp. And again, I'm trying to push and I'm trying to get it wrong here. So if I can relax and go tongue block. So that's the tongue block embouchure. See the black dot? That's the aperture, that's the hole. So with this, the whole thing sits deeper into the mouth. So I think it sounds better at the top end. I think that covers his question, and hopefully the answer, or at least it gets you starting to think about the answer. Okay, thanks a lot. See you next time.